Okay, so we are up at the top of Roche Harbor. That's a harbor down there. A lot of cabins. That's the old schoolhouse right there. There's the airfield if you want to fly in. There's also float planes too. Fly in, land at the docks up there. We are on our way to the Mausoleum. It's a very interesting place. Held the ashes of the McMillan family. A little bit of a climb up here, but it's totally worth the walk. So I'll be back in a minute to show you some more. On the little trail. I hope I don't trip and fall and break my face as I'm filming this. So we used to just walk up the road there, and now it says private road. So as you can tell by my breathing, it's a little uphill incline. I'm gonna go up to the cemetery up here, and hopefully you'll see some headstones and stuff up here. Thanks for coming along. If you like the videos, well, mostly I'm in, there's signs, Mausoleum. Mostly Vegas stuff, obviously, Vegas Girls Slots vlog, but occasionally I do other trips. So the path splits up. We're going this way, and it looks like they're taking pretty good care of these little graveyards.
So one headstone for both of them?
Here we go. Agnes and Mamie Wilson, age 10 and 4 months. Died of bronchitis. There's the original, headstone there.
It says right here, unmarked grave, stay on trail.
There's a lot of these were, you know, when you didn't have inoculations, vaccines, that kind of stuff. That's a baby here too. Bertha and her children.
Ralph Lincoln Jr., age 8 years, died 1929, drowned falling from the Roche Harbor docks.
Wow. Oh, and there's two in there.
Yeah, more than two.
There's a mom, too.
Oh yeah, no, there's more.
Bertha Bruskevith and her children, Neve, Margaret, and brothers.
We have another one over here. Age 39, gone but not forgotten. Nope. Beautiful up here. I'll be back. Okay, so we're arriving.
Hello.
Mile or half, maybe? So here we are at the Mausoleum, known as Afterglow Vista. Used to have horseback trips down here when I was little. That's like, what, 1 billion years ago? But my family's come here since 1960. And in fact, the younger teens used to come up here when it was dark, tell ghost stories. But everything about this, including the steps, the broken columns, the amount of chairs, everything has a purpose. I think the elder McMillan was a mason, as I remember. And apparently there's some drinking going on here. Lots of Rainiers, and yeah, apparently they don't empty it very much. Okay, so here we are at the Mausoleum. So, okay. It can incorporate symbols of the Masonry, the Bible, and the Sigma Chi fraternity, all of which were important to him. And 2 sets of stairs representing the steps within Masonic order. The stairs on the east side stand for the spiritual life of a man. The winding path symbolizes the future cannot be seen. The stairs were built in sets of 3, 5, and 7, represents the 3 stages of life, youth, manhood, and age, the 5 orders of architecture, Tuscan, Doric, Iconic, Corinthian, and composite, the 5 senses, and the 7 liberal arts and sciences, grammar, rhetoric, logic, arithmetic, geometry, music, and astronomy. The columns were created to be the same size as those in King Solomon's temple. The broken column represents the broken column of life. The man dies before his work is completed. The center of the mausoleum boasts a round table of limestone and concrete surrounded by 6 stone and concrete chairs. The chair bases were crypts for the ashes of the family, while the whole represents their reunion after death. Construction of the mausoleum began in 1930. It was completed in its present state by 1936. Cost of $30,000. He planned to erect a bronze dome with a Maltese cross atop the edifice, but he'd ordered the dome, but his son Paul canceled the order as the company did not have the $20,000 it would cost. So, here he goes, this Afterglow Vista. And there it is.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
So,
But that,
yeah,
that
there's
place
the ashes in
represents
each one of the
man,
seats.
You know, and that he always
Jonathan
dies before
McMillan.
his work is done.
Louise McMillan, wife of John S.M.
Yes,
McMillan.
it could.
John
Pretty wild.
Stafford McMillan. And then Fred Height McMillan. And Paul Height McMillan.
Oh, that also meant that
That's awesome. Then there's the broken column. There's where the dome should be.
Be reunited. Thank you.
It's beautiful. There's the other stairway that comes up the side we talked about.
Now, the Mason order,
And it's awesome. Walking down from the mausoleum, there's the schoolhouse again. And back down here, there's the marina down there. It's actually a beautiful day for a hike because it's not too hot, and obviously not raining. Down here they have pickleball courts and a pool. They used to have a snack bar. I'm not sure if there still is. Too chilly for me for the pool, but there's people in it. So all these are available to rent, including the hotel. There's some Airbnbs, I think. Get here by ferry, by plane, by seaplane. There's a shuttle from SeaTac. I think it's $80 or $90 round trip. Includes your ferry each way. No, round trip, sorry, each way. Includes your ferry ride and pick up in Seattle. I think only one time a day, so you can check on that. But it looks like we got a jacuzzi down there too. Okay, so here is the marina, hotel, and everything over there. Backwards look, and there's the pool and pickleball. And they used to have a snack bar up there. I guess they still do, but it's run by a private restaurant. And it's nearing the end of the season, so they're not sure if they're coming back or not. So during full season, they are having a snack bar at the pool area. So there we go.